How did labor organizing begin during the Industrial Revolution? Imagine working long hours in noisy, unsafe factories with little pay and no safety rules. That was the reality for many workers during the Industrial Revolution. This period, starting in the late 1700s and going into the 1900s, changed how economies worked. Countries shifted from farming and small crafts to big factories and mass production. As factories grew, so did the number of workers, often living in crowded cities with tough working conditions. Workers felt they needed to do something to change their lives. They started to come together to form groups called trade unions. These unions were made up of workers from the same trade or industry. Their goal was to negotiate better wages, shorter hours, and safer workplaces. At first, governments and factory owners did not like unions. They made laws to stop workers from organizing, like the Combination Acts in Britain, which ban unions and collective bargaining. Despite these laws, workers kept trying. By the 1820s, laws started to relax, and unions could operate more openly. Ideas from socialism also influenced these efforts. Socialism criticized the unfairness of capitalism, which allowed owners to exploit workers for profit. Early socialists like Robert Owen promoted cooperative communities where workers shared ownership and benefits. Later, Karl Marx developed ideas about class struggle, showing how workers needed to unite to challenge the power of factory owners. Labor unions fought for immediate needs like higher pay and shorter workdays. They also pushed for broader social changes, such as better education, health care, and political rights. Workers organized strikes, protests, and political actions to press for these goals. They built solidarity among different groups, including women, children, and immigrants, who often worked in factories for low wages. From a socialist point of view, labor organizing during this time was about empowering workers to stand up against exploitation. It laid the foundation for future movements that aimed to create a fairer society with equal rights for everyone. The efforts of these early workers and unions helped shape the social and political landscape, leading to reforms that improved working conditions and inspired ongoing struggles for justice.